seeing what trouble we get into today. Marc here built this awesome A-Team van, and me being the jealous person I am, I need my childhood car. So we're gonna go on a mission, see what we can find. So our goal today is to find KITT. That's what I need to build. So we went hunting around a buddy's boneyard, and lo and behold, we found KITT. So we're ready to start our build.
We sold a lot of stuff back here we already sold. Where's that other stuff?
This is what it looks like when the A-Team comes to rescue KITT. And if you want, you can guess what we may pick this up to make. Anybody want to take a guess what this could be made into?